Hello everyone, let's make some crafts. Take two circles of different size and color, stick them together like this. Now fold them in a semicircle. Take two ovals, make eyes on them, fold them and stick them on the semicircle that we made earlier. Now you will see that we are making a frog. Add some blush, make the nose and take a long red strip and make a tongue of the frog. Roll it like this using a pencil. Now make the body of frog. Now stick the face of frog something like this. Now we'll make the arms and legs of our lovely frog. Now make small bees and add it into the background so that our lovely frog can eat those bees. Now we'll make an octopus. Take a blue chart paper, cut it like this, stick it on a paper, make the eyes and teeth. Now make its arm and add some pink polka dots on the head of the octopus. Now make some highlights using blue and white sketch pens. Make the outline so that our octopus looks more detailed. Make some water droplets, give life to the painting or the piece of artwork. Add more and more detail. Take a red chart paper, make a cutout like this. Now cut the lines like this. Take a yellow chart paper strip and insert it like this in a crisscross pattern just like a mat. Do the same with white, purple and blue colored strips of chart paper. You will see a mat-like pattern has been made. Now cut out the extra strips of the chart paper. Make a beak in a triangular shape and stick it in the center of the mat-like structure. Make two eyes and stick it around the beak. You will see our owl is getting ready. Now make it sit on a branch of a tree. Make the background by adding a moon, etc. Cut the chart papers in a wavy structure and stick them together like this. You will see a sea-like structure has been made. Now we'll make some fishes. Take a semicircle, fold it like this and follow the process and you will get a beautiful fish made out of it. Cut out the fins of the fish. Now we'll make the tail of the fish. Take two semicircles of whichever color you like, add some details onto this, add some glue and stick the fish's body on it. Following the same process, you can make many more fishes, add eyes to them, add different colors whichever you like. Add some bubbles using a white marker and now we can make more and more craft. Thanks for watching.